Kurtong ka United Democratic Party UDP haki election MLA Arajar Arpulai na soyong constituency but ubolong ru Menteri Kampo yang berim ke Jela Meghalaya uba HDR Lyngdoh ulaklat no hakapon Rishteng Janmiet hadin ke jingyok kempang ya ke jingpang extensive anteroseptal myocardial infarction lani kata kahat Attack Kaba Jur bah Barkani kalongkat kum gajing pentep nakalian ki doktor ki bla sumaria u habetini hospital haga janmiet jongka arpotrik urempang Arajar Arpulai nakalian ka hospital kalayatho bayuba H dan kupar Roy Lyngdoh lawanra haga jaka sumar hakapor laibaji janmiet hakabayde bakani gajing klat jonguba HDR ka hospital beteniru kalapa ya ka Kyrwoh jingsngolem shakayeng kasem kumban chupentep shakipaj ba ki bapet yakani ka kubor uba H dan kupar Roy Lyngdoh neu mahe kumajutip lot dabaro udang penkre ele dia banya airang ke election banwan kaban long ka arpnyo tarik mentau benai batkat kum kitulong kubor be jan kethu bau mahe ulakelon hakawe ke jingyelang kabalong hamau maram henne kesngi uba HDR labat ya kam kum menteri kampo yeng kasor kajla haga jingyelam doktor mukul sangma kum menteri rangba ula job ningkong ye ke election MLA house nem siajar khandai spa prapupra na ke Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP hadu usnem siajar khandai spa khandai pupra ha ke election MLA jong usnem khat khandai spa khandai pupra ula sharem no auba RA Lyngdoh jong ke United Democratic Party UDP baru usdem khat khandai spa khandai ula job kumu MDC ka soyong nongspung constituency lingba ka seng congress house nem Arajar lai ula yob yang banjob na soyong bat beteng kumu MLA hadu usnem Arajakat pra bat how to usnem ula sharem no hauba samlin malngyang jong ke HSPDP dan riuspa arpu arvot kani ke jingklat no umahe HDR kalong hapdeng ka jing up sansnem banjob yang kumu MLA.
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khat hajating kashi snap shaki ginthei haman lakilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai
hakane ka apnyo trek urempang John ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC